Hi and welcome back. If you want to create Ghibli art images but you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can convert your normal image into a Ghibli art. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to Chatgpt application. If you don't use a Chatgpt application, you can do that on the website, the Chatgpt website as well. Here you need to select the image. Just tap on the image icon, then go to the photos. And here you need to select the photo that you want to convert it into a Ghibli art. In this case, I select this one and I will add this one. Now you need to write a prompt, and that will be that please convert this image into a Ghibli art. Once you write the prompt, all you need to do is to tap on send. So guys, as you can see, it says get started, and once it is processing the image, it's enable the notification. Once it is done, we will notify you. So it will take a bit of time. You need to wait for it, but the Ghibli art will be created. Once it is created, I will show you. So guys, as you can see, we waited for it and the image has been created. This is the Ghibli art image, as you can see, and this was the original picture that I uploaded. So guys, this is how you can create or convert your normal images into Ghibli art. All you need to do is to open this image and then tap on save, and the image will be saved to your device. So guys, this is how you can create Ghibli art. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.